Hello students, so welcome to the DPP number 7 of mole concept. So today we have 4 questions related to concentration terms, molality, percentages and then mole fraction. So method आप जानते हो, you just read them and attempt. You can pause the video. Then we will follow with a hint and after that we'll see complete and detailed solutions, right? तो पहला क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है how many grams of sodium sulfate we dissolve in 500 ml water so that we obtain a decimolar solution of sodium cation, and this is the molar mass of Na2SO4. Now let's hint. Hint is we know that decimolar is how much? Decimolar is a physical quantity given in words. आप देख सकते हैं डेसी होता है 1 का 10वां हिस्सा. So that is 0.1 molar. Now you try with this hint. Now let's see complete detailed solution. मान लीजिए ये हमारे पास एक solution है जिसमें किसी ने हमें सोडियम की concentration दी हुई है. As per the question it is given us to be 0.1 molar, that is deci. अब आप अच्छी तरह जानते हो there are 2 ions in one Na2SO4. So if we go to the molarity of the salt, that is sodium sulfate में चलेंगे, so you will like to divide this by 0.1 by 2. So that means this is this. तो इसका ये मतलब हुआ 1 liter solution contains 1 by 20 moles of Na2SO4, right? But question is giving us 500 ml. So that means this is not 1 liter, this is half liter. So eventually for half liter, that this is 500 ml, so this much will contain 1 by 40 moles of Na2SO4. Now you quickly multiply this thing into 1 by 40 and you will end up with 3.55 grams. So that's the first case. Amazing. अब आइए second question पढ़ते हैं. Second question is saying find the mass of amolal, read this carefully, amolal urea solution having 250 gram water. Now following the hint, we know that molality refers to 1 kg water and the moles of urea. So 1 kg water contains 1 mole urea, right? अब आइए इसको elaborate करते हैं. 1 kg water हो गया 1000 ग्राम. So 1000 gram water contains 1 mole urea, right? अब इसको स्केल डाउन करते हैं तो इसे करते हैं 500 ग्राम वाटर. सो दिस इज हाफ मोल यूरिया. बट हमें कहाँ जाना है? वी नीड टू गो टू 250. सो इफ यू फर्दर गो टू 250 ग्राम वाटर देन यू विल इवेंचुअली गेट 1 by 4 मोल यूरिया. अब आप इसका टोटल मास जोड़ लो, राइट? सो 250 तो वाटर का मास है प्लस 1 by 4 मोल यूरिया का मास हो जाएगा 15 by 4, that is 15 ग्राम, 60 by 4. So that finally gives us 265 gram. There is the answer. Amazing. अब तीसरा क्वेश्चन ट्राई करेंगे. एक aqua solution है which is labeled 10% W by W is the label for this and it has a density of 1.2 gram per ml. Question is asking how many milliliter solution has 6 gram solute. तो इसका हिंट ये रहेगा 100 gram solution contains 10 gram solute, right? अब हमें 10 gram से 6 gram में आना है. So if you want to go to 6 gram solute, then you have to scale this down by a factor. You should know this. The factor is this is around, हमने 10 को 6 बनाया, so we have divided by 10 and multiplied by 6, so this will give us 60. तो 60 ग्राम. आप देखो ये भी इसका 10% है, right? This is also 10%. तो ये हमारा सोल्यूट हो गया. अब मुझे बस वॉल्यूम चाहिए, so I will use the density part. 1.2 डेंसिटी से डिवाइड कर देंगे, so this will take you to the 50 ml solution. Amazing. अब चौथा क्वेश्चन ट्राई करेंगे. There is a solution which has water and glucose. This is the molar mass of glucose 180 and the ratio of mass is 3:1. We want to know the mole fraction of glucose. So hint ये है, आप इसको ऐसे यूज कर सकते हैं. You can use 3 gram water plus 1 gram glucose. Now let's convert them into moles. So 3 by 18 is the moles of water. Molar mass of water is 18, and 1 by 180 moles of glucose. अब mole fraction का expression रख देते हैं. So this is the mole fraction expression we get. X is equal to, numerator will contain 1 by 180 and denominator will contain this 1 by 6 and this 1 by 180 again. You adjust this to get 1 upon 31. Now 1 upon 31 decimally, if you can see, this is around this. Yeah, कैसे? ये तो 1 by 4 है, ये 1 by 3 है, ये 1 by 30 है, तो this is 1 by 31, right? So this is the amazing solution of all these 4 questions. Enjoy the learning. Thank you.